Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to see the ID of any user on Discord with the updated method. Whether you need it for moderation, reporting, or just out of curiosity, the process is simple once you know where to look. Let's get started step by step. First, open your Discord app on your phone. Once inside, head to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will bring up your user settings, which is where most of Discord's customization and advanced features are found. Now, scroll down until you see the section called App Settings. Under that, you'll notice a tab labeled Advanced. Tap on it and you'll be taken to a new page with some extra options. This is an important step because Discord keeps certain tools hidden unless you enable them. Inside the Advanced menu, you'll see an option called Developer Mode. By default, this is switched off. But to be able to copy user IDs, you need to turn it on. Simply toggle the switch, and now you'll have access to an extra feature that lets you grab IDs directly from users, servers, or messages. Once developer mode is turned on, go back to anywhere in your Discord app where you see a user. It could be a friend, someone in a server, or a message they've sent. To get their ID, just long press on their name or profile picture. A small menu will appear with different options, and one of them will be Copy ID. Tap on that, and just like that, the user's unique ID is copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it wherever you need, whether it's for a moderation report or just to keep track of users. Every individual on Discord has their own unique numerical ID, making it one of the most reliable ways to identify accounts. And that's it. Following these steps, you'll be able to easily copy and see the ID of any user on Discord in just a few seconds.